our cameras over here. Ayan, nandun po, over the side.
For Direk, what makes your collaboration with Nadine always work? What do you think is the secret? Or secret, bawal i-reveal?
Yeah. Well, yun, yung okay kay Nadine, no, she's not just parang, acting for the sake of, a project or show business. No? She's really into film. And kanina lang, when we were back there, we were already talking about yung mga recent horror movies na napanood niya. Even with Deleter, we discussed yung mga pegs, and she likes watching even yung mga mas niche na horror, mga A24 films, alam niya. So it's always nice working with people who love film, no? Actors who watch movies and they still make time to watch films and enjoy the craft. Kasi kami ganun lang kami sa team na we've been doing this since we were kids, and ang sarap lang talaga mag-geek out sa process, and we're very lucky we get to make movies for a living na. So parang dream collab, dream come true, and even working with a new cast, no? And we were discussing kanina ang sarap mag-work with people who enjoy watching and parang audience first then at heart, and we try to make the movies na we would want to see as an audience.
Thank you. And for my last question, for Nadine, while doing Deleter and Greed, tas ngayon naman Nocturno, did you ever get any eerie or spooky experience on the set? Or that doesn't scare you at all?
Wala naman po.
Wala naman.
I'm grateful na wala. Pero I think when we were shooting Deleter, may mga kwento-kwento po sa ibang floors. Although ibang floor po kasi kami. But I did do this one scene, yung sa elevator, direct. So meron pong isang eksena doon na papasok ako ng elevator. Tapos, of course, the camera is inside the elevator, so hindi po pwedeng may kasama. And then, meron pong isang floor na mag-open yung door. And wala talagang tao doon. So, it's pitch black. Walang tao, walang anything. So, yun lang. Medyo na-creepyhan lang ako. Pero so far naman po, wala.
So pag uwi mo, hindi mo nadala yung wala kang fear?
Sana po hindi ko sana po hindi ako nasundan or anything. But I mean, okay naman siya. I'm not sure if anyone in the production has felt anything. Pero kasi yun nga, napag-uusapan nga sa set na meron nga daw sa ibang floor. Pero sa floor namin nung time na wala naman.
So you're really fearless. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Minsan kasi Miss Dolly may mga pangontra, di ba, yung artista pag horror. So wala kang pangontra. Wala, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.